Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your EQ Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in EQ Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link secure.eqbank.ca. Just click on that first link. Now you'll be taken to the new interface which is the sign in bank. Over here guys, you just need to enter the email address. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. Click on remember my email for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. And if you don't have any account of EQ Bank, just click on sign up. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.